Hey everybody, and welcome back to Lady Luck HQ. On today's video, I'm going to take you through a fantastic session on Lightning Link. And if any of you are interested, beneath my video is a carousel with all of my wonderful merchandise. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you were interested. And don't forget to stick around till the end of the video so you can see which subscriber we're going to be featuring and who's getting lucky. Here we go to today's video.
Literally second push, got the bonus, so this is all for you. All for you. You're gonna get something good. See? Playing Lightning Link, if you didn't know.
It was very obvious at this point.
Is it? Because I didn't know. Come on, coin. This last one's gonna be the coin. Watch.
Ba-da-da-da. 107.
Oh my goodness, he just hit a bonus, the hold and spin, and that mini is at 100. And here he is. We're looking for some big money. Come on. Give us the poker chip. We need something in the middle.
What's that major? It's 777, like our favorite airplane.
Major! I saw it pass by. Make it count. Oh my goodness.
125. In the middle.
Something in the middle. Make it count. Oh my goodness. Okay, 3 left. One of those should be filled up with the major or the minor. Right here.
Either would be good.
Oh, okay. That was such a great. Look at this. Wow. Love nothing. What a hit. Okay, I'm proud of you. You did good. I didn't want to play this, and you did, and we'll just keep it going. Lovey did a really good job picking machines.
She's been doubting.
I have not been doubting. I've not been doubting. Let's do it again. Come on. I'll hit.
Go for it.
Big money. Oh, so close. Want me to keep it right at 25?
Whatever you want.
Change it to 750?
No.
No? Okay, then I'll keep it at 25. That's what I was asking. That should be good.
Switch to 1250.
Come on, 3. Oh my goodness. And the mini bonus is at 100 and you got $12.50? My dear, you're doing so good. I got this. Snap. What?
Come on, Lady Luck.
There it is. See, I knew it was coming.
That major's at 778.
It is. Maybe another $100. Come on. Major. Oh.
50 and then 1250.
Okay. Major. Okay.
25. Toss down a couple majors.
Like 2 at once. Make it count. We'll definitely count it, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, we only have 2 left.
13 collected.
Okay. Come on. Do it. Please. Make it count.
Top right.
My dear, so close. This will be a good win. Yes. There it is. Woo-hoo. $437. We'll keep it going.
Keep going, baby.
All right. 3 cases. Almost. Oh my god. Did you get max back too?
I did.
All right.
We just need to get something good now.
Something
Big
good.
old chip in the middle.
Chip, 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 chip. I sound like a chipmunk.
170.
Oh, that was mean. 9. Okay. Chip,
Do it.
please. Please.
Wah, wah.
Make it count.
That sucked.
Oh my gosh, she almost had it again. I got this. Come on, big money. Oh, so close.
We need 5 suitcases to make up for that terrible
That'll be good.
bonus. $100.
We'll keep going. Come on. Really? 1 more? 2 more? So close.
Yeah, I got this.
I got it.
Okay.
It likes my touch. Alright, you want to play go? You're so close.
Ba, 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 ba.
Come on. So mean. Give you 2. 3 more. 4 more.
Do it.
Almost. The major's at
780.
783. That was not nice. Like if you're gonna come down with like 5 of your friends. Like now, like come down now. You got 2 cases and 5. That was dirty machine. There should be something. Okay.
$60. A few more. Oh, we're good. Thank you. Couple more. Last one. Do it.
Oh my goodness.
That was lightning.
Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that session on Lightning Link. It certainly was an amazing run for us. On today's Who's Getting Lucky, we are featuring Rajna. Now, he was playing at the Woodbine Casino in Toronto, Canada, and he put in $100 into the Pac-Man machine. Now, I've never seen the Pac-Man machine at any of the casinos in the States, but it's definitely in his local casino up in Toronto. He was betting $3 a smack, and he ended up hitting the major jackpot. Take a peek at this image to see his awesome jackpot Handpay on Pac-Man. Well, everybody, that's it for today's session. As a reminder, if you would like your jackpot Handpay to be featured in one of our videos in the Who's Getting Lucky segment, in the description below are details on what we need for you to enter. Until next time, everybody, take care. Bye!